We are back once again at the 2023 Miss Dig 811 annual meeting, and this time I am with Dan and Carlos. How are you all doing?
Good.
Doing well.
Do you think that it is important for people to continue using Miss Dig 811 in the future?
Yes.
Oh, it's definitely important.
I've previously worked as a contractor, and it's important. I mean, I buried a lot of stuff, and I don't want it tore up every time somebody comes through.
Can you explain a little bit about the private lines that you all locate?
We got, I don't know, the facilities, over 3,000 acres, so we got wires and fiber lines and things everywhere.
That are only used for that airport?
Right.
Even places that are exempt from Miss Dig need Miss Dig to do their job. So thank you both.
Yeah.
You have a good day.
Appreciate it.
Thanks. Bye.